In this lesson, you'll begin work on the project that contains a wet fire protection system. You will create a new pipe type, and then you'll configure conversion settings that you will use when you create piping to physically connect the sprinklers. You'll also check a space schedule that you can use to assess the coverage for the fire protection systems. Click the menu Browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Fire Protection Systems folder, open the file RME FP Planning 01. Let's create a pipe type. In the project browser, expand Families, then expand Pipes, and under Pipe Types, right-click Standard and click Duplicate. Then right-click the copy, Standard 2, and click Rename, and enter Fire Protection Wet. Then right-click the new type and select Properties, and in the Type Properties dialog, under Mechanical, for Material, select Carbon Steel and click OK. Next, we'll configure pipe conversion settings. Click the Manage tab, and from the Project Settings panel, click the MEP Settings drop-down and select Mechanical Settings. In the Mechanical Settings dialog, on the left side, under Pipe Settings, Conversion, select Main, and from System Type, select Fire Protection Wet, and for Pipe Type, select Pipe Types Fire Protection Wet, and verify that the offset is set to 9 feet, and on the left side, under Pipe Settings Conversion, select Branch, and for System Type, select Fire Protection Wet, and for Pipe Type, select Pipe Type Fire Protection Wet, and verify the offset is at 9 feet. The offset elevation for the pipe main places it at 9 feet above the referenced level for the views. Level 2 is the referenced level for the views where you'll be designing, so the pipe main will be offset from level 2. Similarly, the offset elevation for the pipe branches places them at 9 feet above the referenced level for the views. The branch offset allows you to automatically create branches that run above or below the main and other obstacles. This is useful for avoiding interferences with pipes, duct, structural beams, or architectural components. It is good to note here that conversion settings are applied when you convert the piping layout path to physical piping. You can configure the conversion settings at the beginning or during your project. However, you should configure or verify the conversion settings before you convert a layout path. Configuring the conversion settings is usually a one-time process unless you need to change them during your project. Click OK and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.